Hello there. I haven't been able to get into my art room much lately because we've just had such hot summer temperatures, and I don't have air conditioning in my little place, so I just use my fans. But when it gets to 28, 29, 30 degrees, it just isn't worth me coming into the art room. So today, at the moment in here, it's 25 degrees, which is manageable. So I'm just going to do a little picture. I want to do a another blow dryer swipe using some leftover colours from my cupboard, which I am almost finished using up now, as I don't want to make up colours too far in advance anymore. So my colours today are going to be turquoise, rose, deep yellow, dark blue, and yellow ochre, and I'm just going to drizzle them along the centre of the foam board, and then I'm just going to add a pillow of white and blow through with my dryer. So I'll add my colours now just randomly. Well, that's more colour than I intended on adding. I was only going to do a small amount, but I guess I'll just end up covering the whole board with those colours as I blow them across. I've only got a small amount of white house paint left in this bottle now, so I will just add it as my pillow for blowing out the colours. And start my dryer. And that's it. That is exactly what I wanted. I've got a wee blobby piece there I want to remove, so I will get my toy to do that. That's better. I don't think there are any others. There are a couple of dots, but I don't think they are worth breaking up the pattern for. That's great. Wow, that was quick and easy. Now all I want to do is put in my tendrils, which I love so much. So I'm going to use my little plastic spatula and do some tendrils coming off the edges. For example, I've got a nice little patch there. Actually, I might follow that one through. That's even better. Okay, and now for the torch, just to get rid of all those bubbles. There is no silicone or dimethicone in this paint, but because I only mixed a couple of the colours, added water in, about an hour ago, it hasn't settled completely, so I do get a few extra bubbles. And of course, as anybody who has used the blow dryer in this method before knows, the paint tends to get more bubbles in it when you're using the dryer. I'll just push those over the edge. That one hasn't quite gone over as I wanted it to. Okay, that one as well. Couple more bubbles. Oh, a bit of lacing. Okay, that was interesting. That's when I get the flame a little too close to the paint. And that's it. That is my masterpiece for today, and I have to say it's gorgeous. I just love those colours, and I will be using them some more to do some more of this type of blowing out. I've got another canvas that I want to use, which is the same width. It's a proper canvas instead of a piece of foam board, and it's about the same width, but it's twice the length, and I would like to do those colours again right across it and just blow them out and see what I can get. Possibly even pop in a smidgen of black to break up the colours. That's it for me today. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.